Empowering healthy habits. Hey there, sleep seekers. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore all things health and wellness. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of sleep science and sharing some practical tips to help you enjoy a better night's rest. After all, a good night's sleep is the foundation of our overall well-being. So, let's get started. The science of sleep. Did you know that we spend about a third of our lives sleeping? Sleep is a crucial part of our daily routine, and it has a significant impact on our physical and mental health. During sleep, our bodies go through several stages, including light sleep, deep sleep, and REM sleep, where dreaming occurs. Each stage has its own unique benefits and functions, helping our bodies to recover, repair, and recharge for the next day. Importance of sleep. Sleep is not just about feeling well rested. It's also essential for our cognitive function, memory consolidation, immune system, and even weight management. Lack of sleep can lead to a range of problems, from irritability and poor concentration to more severe health issues like heart disease, diabetes, and depression. That's why it's so important to prioritize sleep and create healthy sleep habits. Tip number 1: create a sleep schedule. Tip number 1 for better sleep is to establish a consistent sleep schedule. This means going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Our bodies have a natural sleep-wake cycle called the circadian rhythm, and sticking to a regular schedule helps to keep this rhythm in sync, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up feeling refreshed. Tip number 2: design a sleep-friendly environment. The next tip is to create a sleep-friendly environment. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary for relaxation and rest. To achieve this, consider the following factors. Temperature. Keep your room cool, ideally between 60 to 67 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 to 19 degrees Celsius. Darkness. Use blackout curtains or an eye mask to block out any external light sources. Noise. Minimize noise by using earplugs or a white noise machine. Comfort. Invest in a high-quality mattress, pillows, and bedding that suit your personal preferences. Tip number 3: limit exposure to screens before bed. Our third tip is to limit your exposure to screens before bedtime. The blue light emitted by smartphones, tablets, and TVs can interfere with your body's production of melatonin, a hormone that helps regulate sleep. Try to avoid screens for at least an hour before bed, and instead, engage in relaxing activities like reading a book or taking a warm bath. Tip number 4: be mindful of food and drinks. What you eat and drink can also affect your sleep quality. Be mindful of your caffeine and alcohol intake, as both can disrupt your sleep cycle. Try to avoid large meals and spicy foods close to bedtime, as they can cause indigestion and make it harder to fall asleep. Instead, opt for a light snack, like a banana or a handful of almonds, which contain sleep-promoting nutrients. Tip number 5: incorporate relaxation techniques. Our fifth tip is to incorporate relaxation techniques into your bedtime routine. Activities like deep breathing, progressive muscle relaxation, and meditation can help calm your mind and prepare your body for sleep. Experiment with different techniques to find what works best for you, and remember, consistency is key when it comes to establishing a calming pre-sleep routine. Tip number 6: exercise regularly. Regular exercise is another fantastic way to improve your sleep quality. Physical activity can help reduce stress, tire you out, and even regulate your circadian rhythm. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week, but be mindful not to exercise too close to bedtime, as this can stimulate your body and make it harder to fall asleep. Tip number 7: manage stress. Managing stress is essential for a good night's rest. Chronic stress can lead to racing thoughts, anxiety, and difficulty falling asleep. Identify the sources of stress in your life and develop healthy coping strategies, such as exercise, meditation, or talking to a friend or therapist. A well-managed stress level will contribute significantly to better sleep quality. Tip number 8: avoid long naps during the day. While short power naps can be helpful, taking long naps during the day can disrupt your sleep pattern at night. If you find yourself needing a nap, try to limit it to 20 to 30 minutes and avoid napping too close to bedtime, as this can make it harder to fall asleep when it's time for bed. Tip #9: Get some natural light during the day. Our 9th tip is to expose yourself to natural sunlight during the day. Getting enough sunlight helps regulate your circadian rhythm and can improve your sleep quality at night. Aim for at least 30 minutes of sunlight exposure each day, preferably in the morning. If you can't get outside, consider using a light therapy box that simulates natural sunlight. Tip number 10: Seek professional help if needed. Finally, if you've tried these tips and are still struggling with sleep, it may be time to seek professional help. Sleep disorders like insomnia, sleep apnea, and restless leg syndrome can interfere with your ability to get a good night's rest. Don't be afraid to consult with a sleep specialist or your healthcare provider to discuss your concerns and explore treatment options. And there you have it, our top 10 science-backed tips for a better night's rest. Incorporate these strategies into your daily routine and watch as your sleep quality improves. Sweet dreams, everyone, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Until next time, stay well rested and take care.